ready to turn your unwanted items or new products into cash. Let's get your eBay seller account set up and ready to go. First things first, head over to eBay.com, look for the sign up or register button, usually in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll be greeted with a registration form. Enter your full name, a valid email address that you check regularly, and create a strong, secure password. Remember to re-enter your password to confirm. Next, eBay will ask you to choose an account type. For most individuals starting out, personal account is perfectly fine. If you're looking to sell as a business, select business account and you'll be prompted for business details. Once you've submitted your initial details, eBay will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox, find the message from eBay, and click the verification link to confirm your account. To start selling, eBay often requires a bit more verification to ensure security. This might involve verifying your phone number through a text message or a call, or in some cases, providing a photo of your governmentist ID. Now, let's set up how you'll get paid. Navigate to your account settings and find the payment methods section. This is where you'll link your bank account or PayPal account, depending on eBay's current requirements, to receive your earnings. Once your payment methods are linked and verified, congratulations! Your eBay seller account is now officially set up and ready for you to list your first item. Happy selling!